Gummykidstv.
Hi kids, come and join me. Count 1 to 10. Let's go. Help me to assemble the airplane puzzle. First is number 1. We will put right here. Let's find the number 1. Aha! This is number 1. Number 1. Next, number 2. Where is the number 2? Aha! Number 2. Number 2. Next, let's find the number 3. Let's go. Aha, number 3. Number 3. Next, let's find the number 4. Come on. Aha, number 4. Number 4. Next number is number 5. Aha, number 5. Number 5. Next number is number 6. Where is the number 6? Aha, number 6. Yes, number 6. Yes, number 6. Next number is 7. Aha, number 7. Number 7. Next number is number 8. Aha, number 8. Number 8. We can do it, kids. Only 2 more left. Next number is number 9. Aha, number 9. Number 9. And last number is number 10. I hope you learned, kids. Till next time, bye-bye.